We are Yansourcing, a leading sourcing agent company who help customers source products, manage production, inspect goods, and manage shipping to make importing from China quickly and safely. Importing products from China can grow your business fast, but it can also be very confusing and risky. Many small business owners worry about making big mistakes. They fear losing money to bad suppliers or receiving low-quality goods. A single mistake can cost you thousands of dollars and damage your brand's reputation. The distance and language barriers only make things feel more complicated. You need a clear plan to navigate this process safely. At Yansourcing, we make importing from China quick and safe. We act as your trusted partner on the ground, guiding you every step of the way. Since 2010, we have helped thousands of businesses like yours solve these challenges every single day. The first and most important step is to make sure your potential supplier is a legitimate business. It is very easy for someone to create a fake website or online profile. You must do your homework before sending any money. Do not just trust what a supplier tells you or what you see on their Alibaba page. You need to dig deeper. Ask for their business license, any export licenses, factory photos, and a live video tour. Check their address online. Make a simple phone call. If they hesitate, that is a major red flag. A sourcing agent like Yansourcing can perform a detailed factory audit to confirm legal status, capacity, and quality systems. For example, a supplier's website looked professional, but our audit revealed it was just a small trading office. Verification avoided a disastrous deal. Once you have verified a supplier, never place a bulk order based on photos alone. You must get a physical sample. Check materials, colors, dimensions, and craftsmanship. Use it, test it, try to break it. Does it function as expected? Are the dimensions accurate? Check the packaging too. Request in-house lab reports or arrange third-party testing when required. Document every flaw and send clear feedback. A client testing a children's toy found a small part that broke easily, a choking hazard. The supplier reinforced the design before mass production. Be ready to pay for samples and shipping. It is an investment in quality assurance. Do not proceed until you are 100% satisfied with the approved sample. Clear communication is the key to success in international trade, and the best way to be clear is to write everything down. Have a detailed purchase order or sales contract that outlines every detail. List product specs, materials, exact colors with Pantone codes, dimensions, and weight. Describe packaging, box size, label design, and shipping marks. State price per unit, total order value, and payment terms. Include lead time and the agreed-upon shipping date. Add clauses for delays or quality problems. Be specific. Fabric, GSM, Pantone color, and size breakdown. No room for error. Ensure the supplier stamps, signs, and keep a copy. Even with a verified supplier and a perfect sample, be cautious with your first order. Start with a small trial order. A small run lets you test real production, timelines, and consistency without risking too much capital. A new seller ordered 200 custom phone cases first. Printing was slower than expected, but quality was excellent. She learned to add buffer days, at low risk. Good suppliers respect this approach. Perform well now, win larger orders later. Your final chance to catch issues is before goods leave the factory. Make pre-shipment inspection non-negotiable. Inspect against your approved sample and written specs. Defects, colors, dimensions, functionality, and packaging, labels. You receive a detailed report with photos and descriptions. We once caught misprinted barcodes on 15% of items. Because we found it in time, the factory unpacked and relabeled immediately. An inspection costs a fraction of your order, but can save you from a 100% loss. It gives you leverage to demand fixes before final payment. Conducting a pre-shipment inspection ensures products meet your standards and are ready to sell on arrival. Following these 5 tips, verifying suppliers, testing samples, writing clear contracts, starting small and inspecting before shipment, will dramatically reduce your risks. Use simple language, visuals, and records. Treat suppliers as partners, be fair, and pay on time to build long-term trust. As a leading sourcing company in Guangzhou, Yansourcing can handle suppliers, production, quality control, and shipping to your door. Our bilingual specialists can help you implement every step and manage your supply chain with confidence. Let us be your trusted partner in China. Do you have any questions about the import process? Visit our website yansourcing.com or send us an email at info@yansourcing.com. I'd love to help.